do it like this. Okay, so 130 for that one. Should sound something like this. Now ideally, what you should be able to do is go from the second exercise to the third exercise in one position. So I'll just give you a quick example of that. I'll speed it up a little bit this time. Let's just take a potluck punt at 185. Here we go. Now, if you watch the right hand, you'll see there's very little movement. It's all very effective pick movement. So here we go again. Okay, so that was 185, and I'm sure I could probably squeeze a bit more, possibly 200, 204, 205. And again, the idea of going fast is you are restricting the amount of movement. You have to respond quickly with a pick when you're playing fast. A lot of guys will tell you that you need to play slow and build up the speed. Playing slow is when you're learning a sequence, when you're learning a phrase. But if you want to create speed in your shred or this kind of stuff, you have to practice fast. And this is a great exercise for synchronizing the pick and the fingers. Okay, so if you want to watch the whole video, follow the link below and it'll take you to the full one.